In this video, I will narrate how to access Google Forms. So first thing first, you have to log into your Gmail account. So www.gmail.com. So once we are in your Gmail, make sure that you are in the right account. Okay, so I'll change this. This has come a different account. Now I have changed it to your account. Okay, so make sure that the account is correct. So we have logged in to our account, and then again open a new tab. So you find a plus symbol over there, click on that, right? So once you click on that, now go to google.com and type in Google Forms. Okay, once you type in here, you find the link for Google Forms. Okay, so simply click on this particular link and you will find this particular screen. Okay, simply scroll down and then you'll find that link onto the right side. Go to Google Forms. So if it is normal thing, so it has disappeared, see. So you have to scroll little bit until you find the go to Google Forms and simply click on it, and then you land up in the Google Forms. And see, this is the patient details. In this one there are different forms here, you shouldn't click, but under the recent forms you will find your patient details. Simply click on it, and then you have got this particular, you might have some responses. If you simply click on it, you will find the response, and then click on this particular create spreadsheet. Once you click on it, it will ask for create a new spreadsheet. So simply say create, and all the details what you have entered will be in this particular format. Okay, now to do an entry, how do you do it? Simply open your email, so patient details link, and click on it. Okay, it will appear, and then start typing. For example, I'll enter my details. Some comments you can put it, you know what to do after that, any remarks, and then simply see, I have entered surname, name, and then mobile number, WhatsApp number. These are the details, you put it in and submit. Okay, submit another response. Again, if you want to enter one more, click here, submit another response. Again the same thing will come. Now when you look at your responses, see there is one response here. If you click on it, you can see it, but this is not the way I want you to see. Once you get the responses, click on this green button which is view responses in sheets. Click here and you find all the details. See, surname, all that stuff is there, whatever.